In this lecture series, we will learn about the STAD editor. See, editor is an option which gives us to program a structure. What I mean here is that either we can model a structure with the help of graphical user interface, or in the conventional times when the STAD was introduced 10 to 15 years back, people used to model the structure with the help of editor only. So first of all, we need to select space here, and then we can enter the file name, let us say editor example, and then accordingly we will save the location here also. And we select the units as meter and kilonewton. Next, after that we click on open STAD editor option. So we left click on finish here. So this is the STAD editor option. And one more thing I'd like to add here is that if you have not selected the legacy STAD editor in the configuration option, this editor might be different. So overall the functioning is same, but only the look is different. So first of all, after the input width is 79, we need to enter units as meter and kilonewton. After that, we need to enter the joint coordinates. It's like we are instructing the editor that in the next line the coordinates are entered. First of all, we enter the name of the coordinate, that is node number 1, and then we enter its coordinates, that is 0, 0 and 0. So this is the node number, that is 1, and the coordinate along x is 0, along y is 0 and z is 0. After that we put a semicolon here, and then again we repeat the procedure. Let us say join number 2. If we want it as offset of 4 meter along the x, so we enter x as 4, y as 0 and z as 0. Similarly, if we want to enter join number 3, let us say we enter it as 8, 0 and 0. So we can press Ctrl and S on your keyboard, or either we can go to file and save option here. So we close it here. You will see that only one node is visible here. So what we can do is that we can press Shift and K option on your keyboard. So here you can see that this is the joint number 1, joint number 2 and joint number 3. And if we want to check the distance, we can left click on display node to node distance here. This is 4 meter and this is 4 meter. So if we repeat the joint coordinates in the graphical user interface option, that is this option, either we can go for translation and repeat and press Z, default step spacing as 4. So left click on OK. So this is the node number 4, node number 5 and node number 6. Please press Shift plus N on your keyboard. So this is the joint number 4. So the coordinate of the joint number 4 should be x0, y0 and z4. So we go to editor again. So here we will see that for joint number 4, x0, y0 and z4. And the joint number is joint number 4. Similarly, it has entered automatically calculated the coordinate of joint number 5 and joint number 6. So this is an example of a joint coordinates. That is, whatever we will enter the data here, it will automatically be imported here. Or whatever we do the changes here, it will automatically be done in the editor file. In the similar manner, we have entered the joint coordinates. In the similar manner, we can also enter the members incidences also. So in the language of STAD editor, it is called as member incidence. So in the member incidence, what we need to do is that we need to name the beam, that is beam number 1. That shall be between joint number 1 and joint number 2. So what we enter is 1, 1 and 2. So it means that beam number 1 is between the joint coordinate number 1 and joint coordinate number 2. So we So here we can see that automatically a beam is drawn, and press shift plus B on your keyboard. So here we can see that the beam number 1 is between joint number 1 and joint number 2. Similarly, if we want to draw a beam between joint number 2 and joint number 3, let us say we name it as beam number 2. So we go to the editor again and we put a semicolon here. So we enter it as 2, 2 and 3. So we modeled a beam number 2 between joint coordinates number 2 and 3. And after that, if we model a beam from joint number 1 to joint number 4, stat is automatically named as beam number 3. So we go back to the editor and we should expect 3, 1 and 4 command. So here we can see that 3, 1 and 4 command is automatically inputted by the software itself. So similarly, we can draw a beam from between 2 and 5 and between 3 and 6, between 4 and 5 and between 5 and 6. So after that, here we can see that it has automatically prepared its own syntax file for the memory incidences. So this is a simple example of how we can model a structure in the STAAD editor also. See, editor is something that makes our work very easy, and I must say that this editor thing is there in the ETAP software also. It is there in the Midas Gen software also. It is there in the Midas Civil software also, and most of the commercial structural design softwares that are being used by the engineers worldwide have this editor file option in one way or the other. That is, sometimes it do happens that most of the actions, if we perform it with the help of graphical user interface, takes a lots and lots of time. So editor is there to make our work easier. Not only this, modeling thing will be incorporated in the STAAD editor. Whatever loads we will enter, whatever supports we will enter, whatever specifications we will enter, each and everything can be referred from the STAAD editor. And if required, either we can delete a member, for example, do any modification from the graphical user interface. For example, let us say we deleted the beam number 7 here. So in the editor also, beam number 7 will automatically get deleted. So here we can see that the beam number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 are only available. So this is the advantage of using the editor file. And the each and every process or each and every model that we will make, so simultaneously I will teach you what exactly is the syntax, or what exactly is the way with which we can incorporate each and everything in the editor. That is, for example, if we enter the support here as fixed, let us say, so we create and fixed option here, we select the joint number here and left click on assign. So when we go to the editor file, in joint number 5 there should be a fixed support. So supports, this is the syntax that now we are entering the supports, and joint number 5 it is fixed. So in the further lectures we will study much more about this editor option also.